A new day, a new fixing, hopefully. Here we have a Roland E70. This was one of the top arrangers of the time. It came out, I believe it's 94, 93, something like this anyway. So it's a pretty old keyboard, but the keys are still good. The sound is still okay, and it's a perfect keyboard, how can I say, for learning. It can be used on the stage also. There's no problem with that, it's still alive. The problem with this one is the display, it's over. I mean, it's broke. And one of the loudspeakers or one of the amplifiers is not working. So it's only one side sound. It should be stereo. We have multiple faults possibilities. A dead loudspeaker, a burn loudspeaker, a dead amplifier, or even the potentiometer. It can be. But for now, let's open it up and see what's inside there. The keys are looking good. I think we need some power. .1 ohm. To be sure about that, I'll have a battery, and let's apply a small amount of current there. We should hear a peak or a beep. Perfect. Loudspeaker is good, no doubt. So we have two remains problems. Here we have the amplifiers, these two guys, or the potentiometer. Let me try to beep the amplifier. I mean, to have a hum, it should be here somewhere, part responsible for that. Where is the audio coming in? We should have a shielded cable. No, nothing. Let's try this, guys. I believe the amplifier is okay. Of course, I should use a signal generator, but I'm too lazy to do that. What about here? Let's go straight to the potentiometer side. Let's see. So I believe these are the connections here. Let's see. What? That's the right loudspeaker. So the amplifier is okay. It's very clear we have a potentiometer issue here. The right speaker is working. Yes, man. Oh, okay. I was so afraid about having a burn amplifier. It's very clear. Here is the problem. But in the meantime, let me take a look at the display. Oh man, this is gone. I'm afraid there's nothing to do here. The bender, it's working. The modulation, everything is fine. So we need to replace this guy here. Yeah, kind of frosty. Okay, let's go for it. I can get rid of these two wires going to the loudspeaker and the other ones, just to make me room for better handling the things here. Why they need so many screws here? Because all the push switches are on this board, so obviously it's a lot of pressure. It needs to be tied to the front panel. It's better to have this, write it down before doing any kind of intervention. It's so easy to forget details. We should be able now to take this out. We have some connectors there. Let's see. Look here. My God. Nice. 30 years old. Electronics. Still alive. No water damage. Well. And this is our friend here. Maybe I'm lucky enough to have some replacements. Can't measure anything. What's wrong with this guy? Do I have another one? Please. Oh yeah. No, it's a big mama. The resistance, we should go up here somewhere. Same story. 3 point something ohms. Mega, okay. It's going here. Oh yeah, this is so kaput. No doubt. You see, people, I just don't want to give up. And that's it. So that's the position here, right there. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one of these classic potentiometer, a stereo one, you know, and I will just plant it here with a proper hole, because this needs to go back to my next. The problem here is the plastic is very thick, so I'm afraid it's not enough place for this potentiometer, you know, to get the screw up here, to have enough room up there, you know, for the nut, you know, to go in. But I'm going to try to have a hole kind of smaller than we need it here. Okay, so I have, all right, so this one here, it's like 6.7 millimeters. All right, so I'll try to find a proper like 6 millimeters. You know why? Because I want to let the plastic smaller and enough for having my own screw, and then I don't care about the length of this fixing screw there. Okay? Maybe I should take it from the other side, or I should let it like this and try to force the potentiometer there. And something else, I need to cut this piece of metal there, take it out, because perfect. Not good. Need some more. Once more. Just a little bit more. And we are done. Let's see what's happening here. Perfect. And of course it will be a top here. Looking good. Until I'm gonna find the good one. That's the way to solve the problem. Now I have to put all these things back because they just run away. Okay, so all the buttons are back in place. We should do the, let's see. Yeah, perfect. I cleaned them. This keyboard doesn't look like it was used too much. It's pretty clean. Okay, perfect here. This is our new volume. And if now I have to make something here, so this will be 0. Let me measure to see where to have the ground. Okay, so this side here, it's the ground. But you know something, let me see if we have a good potentiometer. That should be 0. Yeah, It's 0. The other one also short. Okay, now let's check the variable resistance from the middle, you know, the walking shoe. Yeah, good. Wires. Okay, so that's the amplifier input going here. Perfect. Now the other connections. That should be okay. This is the connection to the ground for the potentiometer, for the metal itself. Now we can finish with another piece of aluminium on top of the things, and we will be safe for any kind of... Okay, the right loudspeaker is connected. Now let's have the left. Here we are at the end of a long afternoon. Moment of truth, of course. We got the power plugged in, power on. No display, of course. The LCD is broken, but nothing. And volume. Perfect. We have sound on right and left. Perfect. I may say mission complete. Well, it's pretty elegant, isn't that? All right. Classic Roland sound. Nice. The right one is working. Left one is working, and the bottom also. There is a subwoofer under the key. Beautiful. Well, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. Like many times, please subscribe, like, be creative, and have fun. Bye bye.